the topic, we must understand what is the purpose, where we are using it. Have any idea about the boilers? What is the purpose, where we are using, any ideas based on the previous? Where we are using it? In steam industries, in kitchen, any other applications? In power plants. So these are some practical applications. Now can you tell me what is happening in the boiler? What process is going on there? Water is evaporated. So when water is evaporated, what it happens? It becomes vapor. So now let us go to the topic. Okay. First let us, before going to the topic, let us discuss what are the phase transformations. Okay. So normally, if we take an ice, it exists in solid state. Okay. When we continuously supply the heat, what happens is the ice melts and it converts into liquid state. So when continuously when we heat the liquid, what happens is initially the temperature of the liquid is rising from some 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Okay. So if we continuously heat this liquid, what happens is now the liquid is converting into gaseous state. Okay. So this transformation takes into 3 phases. So first the liquid is converted into wet steam, and then if you continuously heat it becomes dry steam, and then again when continuously heat it becomes superheated steam. Okay. So this is the phase transformation which is occurring. So now we have to understand what is the difference between a wet steam and a dry steam and a superheated steam. Okay. So what is meant by wet steam? Any idea? It contains moisture, very good. Okay. In wet steam it contains moisture. So there is some amount of water droplets in the steam which is not visible to our eyes. So that stage is called as wet steam. So initially liquid is converted into wet steam. Now we continuously when we heat, what happens is the water droplet which is not visible in our eyes is converted into steam. At a particular stage, there will be no water will be present in the vapor. So that is called as an dry steam. That is called as an dry steam. Okay. Now, again, if you continuously heat, what happens is all the heat supplied is absorbed by the dry steam. Then what happens? It becomes an superheated steam. So the superheated steam contains large amount of heat energy. So this heat energy can be used for doing some mechanical work with the reactor. So now we need any device to convert water into steam. So that purpose we are using boilers. Okay. So this is a simple boiler. Okay, where we can convert the liquid into vapor. That is required. Now coming to our practical application. So initially you have told some practical applications. Okay. What happens in the cooking process? Can anyone tell me? Please focus. Please tell me what happens. What is the process in the cooking in a pressure cooker? Please come here. Please come forward. So, what is the concept behind this pressure cooker? What is the concept in the pressure cooker? The answer is in the name itself. Pressure. So, pressure plays a very important role. Okay. So, when we are making a cooking process in an open cooking, what happens is it takes more time. Okay. And coming to our design thinking process, what is the first stage? Empathy. Okay. So, in a normal cooking, what is the empathy problem we are facing? It takes more time. Okay. Another thing, it gives consumes a lot of energy. Next, any other thing? So it takes more time. It consumes more energy. Okay, and the person who is cooking have to stand there itself. At least some empathy is there. To overcome this empathy, what we are doing? We are going for an new concept called as we are going for the define. What is the next stage? Define. Define what we are doing. We want to overcome these problems. So we want to reduce the time. What is the next idea? Is we are going for a pressure cooker. So what is the pressure cooker? So it is a closed device. So when the cooking is made in a closed device, what happens is some pressure is built inside. Okay. So when some pressure is built inside, what happens is the boiling of the water takes place quickly, and the cooking process takes place quickly. So when all the process consumes in a less time, so the energy waste is also less. Same principle is used in the boilers. Okay, in boilers what happens is water is heated through a combustion chamber. Okay, so initially the required pressure is set in the boiler. According to the pressure, what happens is the boiling point of the liquid increases or maybe reduces. It may be vary according to the pressure. Okay, in pressure cookers we are increasing the maintaining pressure, so cooking takes place quickly. Okay, the same principle is used in the boilers. Okay, so this is the small introduction about the